Yeah, sleeves.
Okay, so sleeve, from that shoulder bone you start. Depending on what type of sleeve the person wants, you can get the shirt sleeve. Shirt sleeve is between about 7 and 8, so 7 right here, and then you can come to the elbow. Yeah, so you come onto the elbow about 13, and then you turn your arm at a right angle. Then the tip comes in between the elbow and this part, I don't know what it's called. Yeah,
Wrist or?
Yeah, the wrist. So 17 and a half or so. Yeah, and then you come to the wrist, which is the full sleeve length, and then you mark that as well. Okay. So that's it. And then what else? Around the arm. Yeah, we've done around the arm or no?
No, not yet.
So around the arm. So you go this way. You don't do it too tight, otherwise your arm will be too tight. So you sort of loosen it by about 1.5 inches. So just right about there. Yes, so that when I do it, there'll be room. Okay. And it's the same thing here. You also leave a little bit of room on here, and then there, a little bit of room.
Got it.
Okay.